Okay, so I've now got two rooms. I've got my first room, my second one I've also taken the food out. And what I need to look at next is what happens in the second room when all the food's gone. I've got two choices. Either I can just go on making room after room after room, or I have to decide that eventually I'm going to run out of rooms and that's going to be the end of the game. So if I go back onto the food, what I actually want here is I want two questions. And this is where it gets complicated, because if all the food's gone, I want to go to the next room if there is a next room. Now that is a question I can ask. If I go to main 1, I can ask here if next room exists. Okay, so I can say if the next room exists. So if the answer to that question is yes, then I can go to the next room. But I also now need to put in as well what I want to do if the answer to the question here is no. So does the next room exist? No. And for that I put in an else. And in that case I need to decide what I want to do if there isn't a next room. So what I'm saying is when all the food's gone and there's a next room, go to the next room. If all the food's gone and there isn't a next room, then what I want to do is, well, I want that to be game over. And because I'm nice, I'm going to put in that little message first saying, well done, you have finished the game. So if I click OK and test that now, so click on here, it comes up, and in the first room I can eat all of the food, goes on to the second room, eat all of the food, and it now says well done, you've finished the game. When I click OK, that's it, game over.